1. Do chameleons shed their skin in pieces rather than all at once? A. True. B. False. Two. Are male chameleons usually more colorful than females? A. True. B. False.
Poke your brain and answer the following.
3. Do chameleons have a casque, helmet-like structure, on their head? A. True. B. False. Four. Can chameleons live up to 10 years in the wild? A. True. B. False. 5. Do chameleons blink using a nictitating membrane? A. True. B. False.
'Please tell me in the comment section how many questions you have answered correctly.
6. Do chameleons have a special layer of cells called chromatophores in their skin? A. True. B. False. 7. Do chameleons hunt using their sense of smell? A. True. B. False. 8. Do chameleons lay eggs? A. True. B. False. 9. Do some chameleon species give live birth? A. True. B. False. 10. Do chameleons have sharp teeth for chewing prey? A. True. B. False.